Bruce Lee, born as Lee Jun Fan on November 27, 1940, in San Francisco, California in the year of the dragon, is a well-known actor and martial artist. Though the world lost him far too soon, Bruce Lee was and still is the most influential martial artist of all time. Here we serve you quotes for personal growth by Bruce Lee, influence you to make yourself unstoppable. Let's start. Take no thought of who is right or wrong, or who is better than. Be not for or against. All fixed set patterns are incapable of adaptability or pliability. The truth is outside of all fixed patterns. You just wait. I'm going to be the biggest Chinese star in the world. If you want to learn to swim, jump into the water. On dry land, no frame of mind is ever going to help you. Life is wide, limitless. There is no border, no frontier. Life itself is your teacher, and you are in a state of constant learning. Absorb what is useful, discard what is not, add what is unique your own. Fear comes from uncertainty. We can eliminate the fear within us when we know ourselves better. Choose the positive. You have choice. You are master of your attitude. Choose the positive, the constructive. Optimism is a faith that leads to success. Simplicity is the key to brilliance. Preparation for tomorrow is hard work today. The less effort, the faster and more powerful you will be.